Hansraj College has received an overall rating of 4.3 out of 5 stars from students on Shiksha.com. Let's dive into the detailed review of the BSc program offered here, starting with its placements rated 3.5 stars. According to NIRF 2024, 2,252 students graduated from the UG 3-year program in 2022-23. Of these, 430 or 19% secured jobs, while 1,554 or 69% pursued higher studies. The placement rate in 2023 stood at 69%, showing a consistent increase over the past 3 years. HRC's 2023 placements saw participation from recruiters such as Excella, Barclays, Crow, Fractal, and Frost & Sullivan, among others. Students secured roles such as scientist, physicist, astrophysicist, back-end developer, and front-end developer. The highest package for 2024 was 23 lakh per annum, with a median of 7 lakh per annum. The median packages have increased by 27% compared to the past 2 years, rising from 5.5 lakh per annum in 2021 to 7 lakh per annum for the 2023 year. When compared to other institutions, Hansraj College is on par with Kirodi Mal College regarding median salary offering. Students report that 40 to 70% of them secured internships with opportunities at IITs, startups, and companies like Microsoft, providing valuable industry experience. Now let's take a look at the BSc program offered here, which holds a rating of 4.3 stars. HRC offers 12 BSc specializations including botany, chemistry, mathematics, physics, zoology, and others. Admission requires appearing for CUET. A look at the 2024 CUET cutoffs reveals that the competition has eased for geology, while the opposite is the case for zoology. The total program fee for 3 years is 80,535 rupees. Scholarships are available based on merit, need, family background, and government or non-government schemes. Turning our attention to the 4.3 star rated infrastructure. HRC has campus area of 15.04 acres with 61 classrooms across 3 blocks. The campus features a 600-seat auditorium, a 200-seat amphitheatre, an extensive library with 200-seat seminar rooms supporting academic, cultural, and extracurricular activities with modern amenities such as an LCD projector, Wi-Fi, and advanced audiovisual systems. The hostel offers accommodation with key amenities like power backup, a dining hall, and a gym, while the girls' hostel includes laundry support and enhanced security. Wi-Fi and CCTV ensure safety. The 375 square meter canteen seating 200 offers a variety of food and beverages managed by a canteen committee. Medical facilities include trained staff, on-call doctor. Hindura Hospital handles emergencies and routine treatments. Sports facilities include archery, badminton, basketball, chess, cricket, football, gym, meditation room, shooting, and yoga, along with equipment and training support for students. Now let's talk about the faculty and course rated 4.4 stars. All faculty members hold PhDs, with many of them from prestigious Indian and foreign institutions, offering strong expertise and research experience. Collaborations include programs and seminars with Saksham, Indraprastha, and translational research promotion with INMAS DRDO. With a 4.6 star rating for campus life, let's delve deeper. Hansraj College organizes various events throughout the year, and Confluence, the cultural festival, includes fashion shows and drama performances. Rachnotsav features music competitions, both Indian and Western genres. Events like GeoRisk 2025 offers discussions and workshops on diverse subjects. Other events include debate competitions in Hindi and English and plantation drives. As of 2024, HRC is ranked 12th in the NIRF college category, improving from the 14th place in 2022. For more details on Hansraj College and to check out thousands of courses and college reviews, download the Shiksha.com app now. We would love to hear from you, so do drop in a comment below and don't forget to like and share this video.